Well, why not? Let's. Ooh, cute. Let's see this pretty bag. Oh. Louis Vuitton. Dangerous Diva and the So in Love family. Hey guys, it's your favorite diva, Dangerous Diva. And I am packed for New York. Just got my hair done. Got us locks ready. We leave. And our flight leaves in 2 hours. And we are just finished packing. I just got back like an hour from getting my hair done. And I got to do an official unboxing for this Louis bag. But how could I go to New York and not have my new Louis bag? Like, come on, who does that? So like, I'm gonna like unbox this, not officially, but I'm unboxing it, just letting you guys see I am taking it to New York. New York. I didn't do an unboxing video, but how can I not take this gorgeous baby with me to New York? Isn't it so pretty? Let me turn around so you guys can see it. How can I not take this with me to New York? Price tag will leave for the official unboxing video. You guys like my nails? They call this cat eye. Meow, meow. I love it though. It's really pretty. But yeah, let's officially unbox this. I wonder if I could take it off without like tying a knot. Well, why not? Let's. Ooh, cute. Let's see this pretty bag. Oh. Louis Vuitton. Oh yes, she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous, guys. Ladies, look at this bag. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, she's a beauty. How can I not take this with me to New York? Like, come on. Oh, I can't wait. This is my official unboxing of my lovely Louis bag. Look at all these pockets. Look how pretty she looks inside. Like, oh, I love it. So this is the bag that I chose. I know you guys didn't get to see it on my other videos, but this is a sneak peek. I will be wearing her and she will be gorgeous. Yes, yes, yes. Leave me a comment below if you like the new Louis. See you guys in the next video.